In this particular example, I'm going to show you how to add your own spoken voice to any word, drawing, or text in the Smart Notebook software. I highly recommend that you do this entire process on an actual computer with a mouse rather than working on the smartboard. It's much easier to do. So one of the first things I'm going to do when I come into the Smart Notebook software and I see a blank page like this is I'm going to click on the text tool over here. Next, I'm going to click right down here on the actual board, and I'm going to type in my word. If you want to increase or decrease the size of the font, you can highlight it and go over here and change the font size to whatever you want. I like to work with about a size 40 font. It makes things a lot easier for students or yourself to touch when you're actually demonstrating this to the students. Alright, so when I'm done typing out my word, the next thing I need to do is add my voice. If you have a microphone or headset connected up to your computer, it's really easy to do. I'm going to right click on the word and I'm going to choose sound down here. The next thing I need to do is to click on this little microphone icon over here. Now if you recall, we typed out the word jumping. What I need to do is say the word jumping, and when I start recording, I don't want to hesitate too long, otherwise the student's going to hear a lot of dead air when they click on the word. So I'll show you how I do it. I'm going to click on the little microphone icon, and now it's primed to record. As soon as I click start recording, it's going to record my voice. So I'm going to say the word jumping once I click this button. Jumping. There you go. I recommend that you choose object. It's very important. That really controls the behavior, the way that the sound will be attached to the actual word or drawing or whatnot. So once you choose object, click on attached recording. So we're not done yet. There's one last thing we need to do. In order to ensure that everything works properly when you go to tap on that word or one of your students goes to tap on that word, we're going to right click on the word, we're going to choose lock, and we're going to choose allow move. This is a very important step. What this will ensure is that if you or your students tap on the word, the Smart Notebook will simply play back the word. It won't unintentionally think that you're trying to edit the word and bring up a cursor. It sounds kind of confusing, but it can really throw a kink in your lesson. So as long as you remember to lock that word, you should be all good. If afterwards you decide that you do want to make edits to this word, for example, change the spelling or whatnot, you can right click on it, choose unlock. Now I can double click on that word and I can make changes or do whatever I'd like to it. So there you go.